Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain you chapter 3, the cell. Now, what is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of a living thing. A living thing, whether made up of one cell, for example bacteria, you can say, and many cells like us human being, is called an organism. What an organism? All living things are known as organism. Now, cells are the basic building blocks of all organisms. Means we all are made up of cell. So now I can explain you what is the basic building block. Basic building block is, you all have seen brick. So I make a rough diagram over here of a brick. This is a brick. This is one single brick. When we add several bricks together, what it will form? It will form a ball. This is a ball. When we add four balls together, it's make a room. When we add 4 rooms together, it will make a house. Now same as the cell is. This is your cell. When all the cells come together, when several cells add together, interconnected together, they form a tissue. These tissues, when come together, they form an organ. Organ means your eyes, nose, heart, stomach, lungs. These all are the organs. What happened now? When all the organs come together, they form an organ system. Organ system means circulatory system, respiratory system, and excretory system, nervous system. These all are the system that an organ form. That is an organ system. Organ system. These organ systems form a body. Body is your house. Body of any organism. Those who are living. Even human beings, amoeba, bacteria, plant, trees. These all are made up of cells. They all are having a body. You can say human body also. Now, several systems that functions together form an organisms. Cells of one kind interconnected to form tissue. Tissues interconnected to form an organ. Organ interconnected and form an organ system. Organ systems come together and form a body. So you can say cell is a building blocks of an organism. You can say cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Unit of life. The structural unit of life means all the body of all the living organisms, of all the living beings, is made up of a smooth, tiny particles called cell. Functional unit of life, functional unit of life means that every function is performed by cell. Like you can, when you hurt, a signal is released to the brain. These signals are translated by brain due to the activity of the cell. So you can say the cell is the functional unit of life. Now, discovery of the cell. Discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Dear students, Hooke developed a compound microscope. At that time, compound microscope is not there. So, he developed a compound microscope which is made up of two lenses. He attached two lenses together to make a compound microscope. Then, he take a cork, a thin slide of a cork, that is dead cells wall of plant cells. He observed some honeycomb like structure in that. Honeycomb like structure means जैसे बरैया का छत्ता होता है वो. Name them cells. Why he called them cells? Because he remarked that it looked similar to cellula. Cellula is a Latin word. Cellula is a Latin word which means a small room or compartment. Cell theory. Cell theory states that living things are composed of one or more cells, that the cell is the basic unit of life, and that cells arises from existing cells. For example, students, bacteria, which are single-celled organisms, divide in half to make a new bacteria. In the same way, your body makes new cells by dividing the cells you already have. In any cases, cells only come from cells that have existed before. Cell theory was comprised of four statements. First, all living things are made up of one or more cells. All living things means all organisms. Everything that lives is made up of cells. Second, cells are the basic structural and functional units of all living beings. Means cells are the basic building blocks of organisms and of life. Third, all cells are basically the same in chemical composition and metabolic process. Means energy flow occurs within cells. Cells contain genetic information in the form of DNA. All cells consist of mostly the same chemicals. Fourth, all new cells arise by the division of pre-existing cells. Means cell theory was that new cells are formed from pre-existing cells.